excess nutrients, the Adriatic Sea is suffocating and our marine wildlife is vanishing. Our coastal waters are facing a serious problem. There are too many nutrients. Algae grow out of control and they uses up all the oxygen in the water. This creates dead zones where other sea creatures cannot live. But nature has a solution for us. What do mussels do? Mussels are natural water cleaners. They pull water into their bodies and trap inside their shells tiny particles and extra nutrients. But traditional mussel farms don't create these thriving habitats, focusing only on maximizing mussels' production. How might we create an environment for mussels to restore the ecosystem? Bioset. We created structures for mussels to colonize when larvae and settle, and become also an ideal home for many other species. It's not a mussel farm, is not mean for harvesting, but to support the creation of an ecosystem. The actual structure is made of modules stacked on top of each other, connected to a buoy above and anchored to a base made of biocement. Everything from microscopic organisms to small crustaceans and fish can find refuge and food in the base or between the columns of the structure. The shape of the modules is designed to blend into the environment. Inside each module, there's a grid geometry that has been proven to protect young mussels as they grow. The material is TPS, or thermoplastic starch, is completely biodegradable and support mussel settlement. Its lifespan, between 8 and 10 years, aligns with the mussel life cycle. Our project is an interactive system that becomes part of the community where it's placed. Here's how it comes together. The modules are delivered as individual flat grid sheets. The community, in workshops, assemble them. They tie the grid pieces together using rope made from coconut fibre. As they work, the flat sheets transform into a three-dimensional structure. The coconut rope creates a textured surface that mussels love to attach to. Once assembled, the structure is transported to the sea. It heals the ecosystem and also becomes a tourist attraction. But the project has a deep educational purpose. Both visitors and local residents learn about ocean health, water pollution, and the importance of protecting marine environments.